Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th chemistry chapter hydrogen part 6. So in this part we will learn about preparation of hydrogen. Before that we'll see two questions. First question is the volume of H2 released is double the volume of oxygen during electrolysis. Answer is the volumetric ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water is 2:1. The volume of hydrogen combined to form water is double the volume of oxygen. Therefore, during electrolysis, the amount of hydrogen released is double the volume of oxygen. Next question is, why is acidulated water preferred to distilled water in the preparation of hydrogen by electrolysis of water? Answer is, distilled water does not conduct electricity due to absence free ions on acidification with a few drops of acid. The acid helps to dissociate water into free ions H plus and OH minus, and the acidified water then conduct electricity. Next is properties of hydrogen. Now come to the topic. Properties of hydrogen. First is physical property. Physical property. It is a colorless, odorless and tasteless and a non-poisonous gas. And next point is, it is swiftest of all gases. Hydrogen molecules have the maximum average speed of all gas molecules, but the speed is 39 miles per hour. (62.751 kilometers per hour). Next is solubility in water. In water, hydrogen is practically insoluble in water. The insolubility can be proved by inverting a cylinder filled with hydrogen as shown in the past figure. It is seen that after a few hours the level of water does not rise in the gas jar. Practically 100 milliliter of water dissolves only 2 milliliter of gas after a few hours under normal conditions. Hence solubility of H2 gas is very low. Low density minus lightest gas. Low density minus lightest gas. It has the density of 0.09 gram per liter. It is 14 times lighter than air. And next topic is Solid hydrogen, the most dense substance. Solid hydrogen, the most dense substance. At a very high pressure, H2 gets converted into solid. Solid hydrogen is the densest substance in the world with a density of 70.6 gram per cc, where the most dense metal is iridium with the density of 22.67 gram per centimeter cube. When hydrogen gas is passed through soap solution, the soap bubbles formed start rising up in the air. This demonstrates the low density of hydrogen, as hydrogen is the lightest gas. Its molecules are the swiftest among all the gases. Volume. The topic volume, as it is the lightest gas, it occupies maximum volume of all gases. 1 gram of hydrogen occupies 11.2 liters at standard temperature and pressure. MP, BP and liquefaction. Substance with the lowest melting point and the second lowest boiling point is hydrogen. Liquid hydrogen is colorless and boils at minus 253 degrees Celsius. Hydrogen has the lowest melting point. Solid hydrogen is a transparent ice-like substance with a melting point of minus 259.4 degrees Celsius. Hydrogen gas can be liquefied below minus 240 degrees Celsius by applying pressure of 20 atmosphere. Absorption or oxidation of hydrogen. A few metals like palladium, platinum, gold, iron, nickel, etc. under certain conditions can absorb a large volume of hydrogen. The phenomenon of absorption of hydrogen on the surface of finely divided metal is known as absorption or occlusion. The gas so absorbed is called occluded or absorbed hydrogen. When metals containing occluded hydrogen are heated, they liberate pure hydrogen. This property of occluded hydrogen finds its application in the purification of hydrogen gas from other gaseous impurities. Calorific value. It has the highest calorific value of 150 kg upon gram. So this was all about today's class. This was part 6. In part 7 or in part 8 we'll end this chapter and start the new chapter. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.